And what about all the other platforms, the Google Analytics, the Ad Exchange, the Ad Manager, the header bidding, the user experience? We could have a problem with all these aspects of our business. I think that probably for small publishers it's even stronger, this problem. Let's take analytics, for instance. How many of you are using analytics? I think many. We noticed that when you link AdSense with analytics or Ad Exchange with analytics, we can have a granular control on the revenues at level page, which is great. But when we need to use more sophisticated solutions for lazy loading or header bidding, we don't have the possibility to get the same level of transparency, of traceability inside of analytics. You need the Analytics 360, which is a costly platform. So for small publishers, it's not always possible. So how we can use analytics correctly, how we can convert all the statistics that we have inside of that. To help publishers, Google has created a framework, a group of people working to help the journalism to thrive in the digital age. The proposition, as you can see here, is amazing. Obviously, all of us are welcoming this proposition. But how we can convert these words in actions? To do so, they created a new tool that is called the News Consumer Insights. The News Consumer Insights start from the concept that each page is an opportunity to generate additional programmatic advertising revenues or increase the loyalty. Where should I spend more resources? Where I should spend more time and effort on the loyalty or in the direct monetization of my users? To do this, they created also the audience funnel, which is basically a concept of the e-commerce, where we try to move users along the funnel to get the conversion. Here, the conversion is the subscription to the newsletter, maybe, or to the ad-free version of our website. So we start from the casual readers, all the users generating 1 session per month, then the loyal readers, all the returning users. Then we have the brand lovers, all those users generating more than 15 sessions per month, and in the end we have the subscribers. We can analyze the number of users, page views, time on site, so there are many metrics, all taken from analytics. But this tool is very intuitive because together with the News Consumer Insights, we have also the playbook. The playbook is very long. There are many insights also about the search console, the recirculation that we will see later on, and many other things. And thanks to this, I think that this tool is very intuitive. You can use immediately this kind of information, this kind of insights to adapt your strategy, to change something on your business strategy. Here we have also another example of the analysis that we can do with the Google News Consumer Insights. In this case, on top of the slide, we can see the analysis of the loyal readers together with the brand lovers, so the most important segments of the audience funnel. And Google collected 1,000 of websites to have a benchmark. And thanks to this, we can understand where we are placed. For instance, let's take the page per session. As you can see, we can compare our metrics with the benchmark, which is the average value of all the cluster of websites, but also with the best in class. And thanks to this, we can understand, okay, maybe I have to push the user journey, I have to increase my loyalty. Otherwise, if we are doing well, we can maybe push something else, the monetization or the newsletter subscription, because users are loyal. We can also analyze the traffic sources. And to do this, Google has created a new parameter that is called the user value score. The formula to define the user value score is transparent in the News Consumer Insights. So each publisher can even adapt the formula. It is based on the page per session, sessions per users, and so on. So if you want to move the weight, if you want to move your interest in one of those parameters, you can simply adapt the formula and have your own user value score. This parameter is used to analyze all the traffic sources. And this is very important because, once again, we can understand if we want to push more the social traffic or the newsletter, for instance. As you can see on this histogram, we have all the sources. And the email is obviously one of the best because, obviously, subscribers are very loyal. They are already engaged with our content. And for this reason, maybe we have to understand how we can increase that channel. On the other hand, the opposite side is the social, where users are just coming quickly. Maybe it's a quick user experience. We are not increasing the loyalty there.